If you love French toast, then you have to try my French toast made with croissant bread. It's buttery soft in the middle and golden around the edges, and it soaks up the custard just perfectly. This is a breakfast that's easy to make and it tastes great. Stick with me and I'll show you how to make it. Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making French toast. You will need 4 slices of thick bread. For today's recipe, I'm using a croissant loaf, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2/3 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. In a small bowl, combine your eggs and vanilla. Now add the sugar and salt, then mix until your egg mixture begins to froth. Now add your nutmeg and cinnamon, then pour in your milk, then mix until well combined. If you enjoy my recipes, then come join the Soul Food Cooking family and download my Soul Food Cooking app. You can find all of my recipes right in one place. You can save your favorites and you can have them handy whenever you're ready to cook. It's free. Details on how to get the app are in the description below. Now coat your bread with the batter, then place them on a wire rack. Only allow your bread to sit in the batter for 3 seconds on each side, or it will collapse in the middle while cooking. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then melt your butter. Add your bread to the pan, then allow it to cook for 2 minutes on each side. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.